Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I really wanted to show you guys my bullet journal and kind of how I use it to plan out my month and my week and plan out my YouTube videos and just keep myself organized, make sure that I don't miss anything that I need to have done for the week or for the month. It's just a really good resource for me to use, and I like the fact that I can write everything out and design it just how I want it. I've just really been enjoying this, and I just wanted to show you guys how I use it personally. I know there's so many different ways that people use bullet journals. I love drawing, I love art, and it's just one of my favorite things that I've been doing recently. I did show me getting this in my what's in my backpack video, so if you want to go check that video out, I will have it linked in the eye. Or is it over here? I don't know, somewhere up there. I think definitely at the end of the year I will do a my bullet journal recap and just show you guys all the pages and all the different designs that I did, because I like to be creative with it and just do something new for every month. So I did take videos of me doing my October month, and so I'm going to put that in this video. I'm probably just going to do a montage, but I just wanted to explain a lot of things that I do like to do. Is I obviously like to do the month overview, and then I just like to have habit tracker that keeps me on track for working out and drinking enough water and eating healthy. Yeah, I just like it because it keeps me held accountable, something that has really helped me, just so I know when I am doing stuff and when I'm not doing stuff, what I need to do better at and stuff like that. One thing that I did last month is I did a no spend tracker. So I tried to not spend money as much as I could throughout the month. It was obviously a no spend month. And if I did have to spend things, it was just on essential things that I had to pay every month in general, which is like my car payment, my insurance, stuff like that I just have to pay every month that I can't go away with not paying. So okay, sorry I got distracted because I actually have a Zoom going on right now. But he pretty much already explained everything that I need to know, so I'm just turning the volume down for right now. But anyways, as I was saying, I don't even know where I left off. Oh yeah, it's about my no spend month. So I actually stopped doing it throughout half the month. I honestly just forgot about it and just didn't fill out my bullet journal anymore after, I think it was the 18th or something like that. But yeah, it still definitely helped me save money, and obviously after the 18 days that I did do it, I was still pretty conscious about what I was spending. I tried not to spend as much as I normally would, because a lot of the time, which this is so bad, I just spend money on stuff that I don't need. I would go to Walmart or Meijer and just buy random stuff that I don't need, like makeup, skincare, stuff that I want but I clearly could go without, especially when I'm in college on a budget, trying to save money. So yeah, it was definitely really helpful though. Now that I know that I can easily go without that stuff, it's pushing me more to not spend as much money. So I'm definitely gonna try to do it more this month too. I'm just not gonna document it because now I know personally that I can do it and I can minimize the amount of money I'm spending. Sorry about going off on that, but and then I always like to add in my bills that I have to pay. I always like to put that in my bullet journal just so I know that if I have paid it or not. I can just check it off my list. I also put in my paycheck amount, and just so I know how much I did make that month. And just stuff like that with my money really helps me keep track of everything. One thing that I did add this month was my YouTube goals. I just have things like reaching 1,000 subscribers, so many watch hours, and stuff like that. So I really hope that I'm able to meet that stuff. I do want to post as much as I can on this channel, although school is pretty hectic right now. I'm just gonna try to post as much as I can whenever I get the chance to vlog or anything like that. Plus I do work on the weekends too. So it's just, my life is really full right now. I'm really gonna try to make the most of the time that I do have, my free time. So, and then one of the main things that I like to do is my weekly spread. This just helps me keep things organized so I know which days I have to finish certain things. And then I also have a page where I plan out all the video ideas that I do have and would like to create for that month. But yeah, I love doing this stuff. I have so much fun. I really hope that I can fill this up for the rest of the year. I think that is everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the montage right now. So I'm guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more videos of me drawing in my bullet journal and doing my monthly spread, let me know. I would love to share more of these videos with you guys. And if you guys have any video requests, be sure to let me know and I will definitely get to those videos. I always like to take into consideration what you guys want to see on my channel from me, so be sure to let me know. But I think that is all. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to follow all my social media. It will all be linked in the description box. And yeah, I think that is all, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.